Hi guys, in this video we'll be learning how to find the cube of all the numbers up through until 6. So our first line of code, we're going to make a variable which is going to be called input number num, which is going to be equal to 6. Because we're going to do all these stuff until 6. And now we can just make a for loop for I in range 1 through the input number plus 1, because the range function does the n number minus 1. So if we do minus 1 plus 1, that's going to make it 1 minus 1, which is 0. So it's not going to affect the input number. And now we can just put over colon so we can make stuff inside. And what are we going to make inside? Well, we're going to put print current number. And then we're going to make it an F string, and we're going to put these, and then current number in the value of input number. I mean I. We're going to put it as I. And then the cube is, and then we're going to do this stuff. We're not going to do curly brackets. We're going to do parentheses. So since a F string cannot take in parentheses, we're going to put comma space after the string. So you can put our parentheses. And then we can just do I times I times I. Well, why do we need parentheses? Well, we need parentheses because Python goes with the PEMDAS rules. So if we just do I times I times I, it's gonna give a different answer. If we do the cube is I times I times I, like normally, it's gonna give a different answer than I times I with parentheses, because parentheses make it do it first. So yeah, if we run this, it says an error. Well, why does it say an error? Because I wrote something wrong, which is input number. Let me just change this one. Okay. Yeah, sorry about that. So, yeah, that's what it's going to do. Current number 1, the cube is 1. Current number 2, the cube is 8. Current number 3, the cube is 27. So, yeah, guys, I'm just going to explain one more time because I don't think I really explained it really good. But, yeah. So, we're doing for I in range 1 through input number plus 1. So, plus 1 minus 1. So, that's equals 0. So, it's not going to affect the input number. And we're doing 1 comma space. So, we can do our start number as 1. And then our end number is going to be 6. So it's going to look at all the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And with all of those numbers, it's going to say the current number, and then it's going to show us the current number, which is 1 for our first line. And it's going to say the cube is I times I times I. So what that means is, so if we have 1, we can do 1 times 1 times 1. Should be pretty easy. It's 1. And then, so it's going to do current number 1. The cube is 1. And then if we do 2 times 2 times 2, it's going to do 8. So it's going to say the current number is 2. The cube is 8. So it's basically going to do the cube of that. Yeah. So it's going to do the cube of that, which means that thing times itself 3 times. So, yeah, I hope you guys understood. So if you do 3 times 3 times 3, you got 27. So, yeah, guys, I hope you guys understood. I don't know why I'm saying that again, but yeah, I hope you guys understood what this code does and how it works. So, yeah, and if you like this video, make sure to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.